experience with Kyle and Gerald, super ganda, super saya ko silang katrabaho. Napaka-collaborative actors, napakagaling. They're always listening, no? Kumbaga nag-exchange kami ng mga thoughts, no, in every scenes. And yung isa is Switzerland. Switzerland was my dream destination since nung bata pa ako. But with this movie, I was able to go there and experience there. And syempre, super bonus na nakagawa ko ng pelikula sa Switzerland na napakagandang lugar.
Actually, pag nag-shoot kami abroad, we meet fellow Filipinos and in a way, we bring joy to their experience. Parang gano'n, pag dumadating kami, nakakita sila ng artista. So, we have a lot of stories na overseas because of our overseas Filipino workers. So, wala namang tumitingin doon as of the recent. So, that's why naisip din namin na ipuntahan naman din siya just to bring something new to the film industry as well.
Kahit hindi ko pa siya nakasama, si Kylie is a very good actress and I'm very privileged na na-witness ko yan in person at naka-excel ako siya. But more than anything, napaka-humble, napaka-down-to-earth, and very cowboy din. So sa ganong klaseng shoot, kailangan, ano ba lang, kaya mo mag-adjust kasi maraming pwede mangyari. Nasa abroad kami, hindi namin hawak yung lugar. So, she was very professional. Sabi ko nga, naging mas madali yung shoot.
Whenever you feel like you're in a place na medyo dark, dun ka dapat mag-speak up lalo. Humingi ka ng tulong. It's not wrong to ask for help. Kasi dun yung chance to connect more with the people you love. And I think if ever may message man, I think that's the message. That's why I said yes to the movie.
I'm inviting you all to watch our film, Unravel, starring Gerald Anderson and Kylie Padilla, produced by Mavix Productions. It's showing on April 8.
Plus Network, maraming salamat for coming to the press preview ng Unravel. So, it will be showing on April 8 to 18. So, part po siya ng first Metro Manila Film Fest Summer.
Hello, manood po sana kayo ng Unravel ngayon. April 8 na po yan sa MMFF. See you there!